Hey everyone, Hari here again. Today I'm introducing you to one of my favorite tools for spotting misinformation online, a reverse image search. Now, there are a lot of ways misinformation can pop up online, but out of context images or straight up fake photos are some of the most prominent ones nowadays. So someone might use a picture from a different time and place to influence how you feel about an issue, or use software to change an image to create the next thing that you have to share. One of the big ones we see after every hurricane is that shark swimming on a highway. Totally fake. Don't share it. You'll look foolish. A reverse image search will bring up every time a picture or one very similar has been posted online. That way you can find the original source of a fake image or find out if a real photo is being used out of context. It's pretty simple. And in this lesson, we'll walk you through how to do it with most search engines. Most of the time, it's nothing more than a right click and you can get results. This technique is great for answering what is the evidence, but it can also help you find out who's behind the information. It's easy to create a fake persona on social media, especially Twitter. So by doing a reverse image search on someone's profile picture, you can find out if they've taken it from someone else or if they're just using a stock image, like from a catalog of models who rent out their faces. But what about videos? Yes, there are ways to check out questionable videos you might find online. In this lesson, you'll also learn to use the tools professional fact checkers use to sniff out phony videos.